So hi guys, let's start with the fourth question of LeetCode March Challenge. The question is intersection of two linked lists. The question says is write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two single linked lists begins. So from question we can see that this is the intersection point. C1 is the intersection point in this case. And now let's start with an example. How can we solve it? Okay, let's see first example. Here is a question where the intersection is at. Now, how can we iterate over it to find the intersection of the two linked list? There is a linked list A and this is a linked list B. Okay, what I will do is, first I will take the temp node to iterate over linked list A and B. So temp A is for linked list A and temp B is for linked list B. Okay, if we can see here 4 and 6 are at same level but 5 is not at the same level. So what I will do is I will move temp B at this position. Then we are at the same position. Now we can compare both the nodes. If we move here and if we move this node here, we can see both the nodes are not equal, although values are equal, but the nodes are not intersecting at this point. So this will not be our answer, so don't confuse with that. Now again move this next and again move this next. Now we can see both are intersecting at the node 8. Okay, so our answer would be 8 here. Let's take another example. In this question, A is linked list A is greater than B. We can see here. First, we have to take the A at the level of B. So what I will do is I will iterate over here, then here. Now they are at same level. Okay. Now we will find the intersection point. I will move it here, and this will move it here. Now we can see it. 2 is the intersection point. Let's take another example where there is no intersection. So how can we find it? It is here, it is here. Okay, from the basic method what we have done in the previous questions, what we will do is we will try to first take them to the same level. So temp A is moved to the same level. Now they will compare. They will compare. Temp B will come here. Temp A will now go to the null. And temp B will also go to the null. So our answer will be null here in this case. Let's say the approaches. How can we approach the question? What we have to do is firstly find the length of the given linked list. Okay, we will get the length of a linked list A and linked list B. Now the second process was to take the temp to iterate over both the linked lists. Now there are two cases. If list A is less than B, in the first example, the list A was less than list B. So what we have to do is we have to iterate the temp B to at the level of A. So what we have to do is we have to move this temp to this level. Again, if the case is opposite, then we have to move the temp A to the level of B. Again, if there is another case where both the lists are not intersecting, then the answer would be null in that case. So from this we can get the answer. Let's see the code. Okay, approach is simple here. We have to return a list type node. Okay, head of A is given, head of B is given. Now what we have to do is we have to find the lengths of the lists. So what I have done is to find the length of the lists A and B, I have created another function to find the length of the lists. So from here we can get the length. Now what we have to do is we have to take the temp to iterate over the linked lists. If A is less than B, then what I have done is, you can see here, I have iterated over the list until both get at the same level, length B minus A. Here length of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and length of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the level at which both should be at equal may be calculated based on the list of B minus list of A. That is 6 minus 5, which equals to 1. So at the 1 they are same level, A1 and B2. In this case A is less than B, so we have to move B at the same level. So what we will do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 minus 5, 1. At 1 we have to move it. Okay, similarly we can do it. So both the conditions do for the vice versa. Now in the next step, what we will do is we will iterate over both the linked list step by step, and we will get to know at which point it is intersecting. So temp A is not equals to temp B. We are basically comparing the nodes, not the node value. Okay, so we have to clear this thing here. So if temp A, if you can see here, if both are at same level, then 4 will move to the 1, and 6 temp will move to the 1. Again 1 will move to the 8, and 1 will move to the 8. So we will get the intersection point here. So our required answer would be temp B. If in case both the lists are not intersecting, then they will get at the end, that is null, and that is the required answer. Thank you.